Hey, what's up guys, always here. Hope you guys are doing alright. So today we're going to be comparing the features of the iPhone SE and the iPhone XR. If you're thinking about upgrading, then make sure you watch the complete video because we're going to talk about the differences between the two devices and the similarities between the two devices. Let's start with the display. The new iPhone SE has a 4.9-inch display, while the iPhone XR has a 6.1-inch display. Both displays are LCDs with 326 pixels per inch, True Tone, 625 nits max brightness, and support for the P3 wide color gamut. The iPhone SE is powered by the A13 Bionic, which is the same latest and greatest chip inside the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro. By comparison, the iPhone XR is equipped with the previous gen A12 Bionic chip. The new iPhone SE has the same design as the iPhone 8, with thicker bezels above and below the display for the front camera and Touch ID home button. The iPhone XR drops the home button and instead has a nearly edge-to-edge display, so you have Face ID, but you also get the top notch. The iPhone SE has a Touch ID home button for fingerprint authentication, while the iPhone XR uses Apple's more advanced Face ID system for facial authentication. Since the new iPhone SE lacks Face ID, it doesn't support Animoji or Memoji. While both the new iPhone SE and the iPhone XR are equipped with a single 12 megapixel wide angle rear camera with an f1.3 aperture, the iPhone XR has a newer sensor and larger focus pixels, whereas the iPhone SE has the same sensor as the iPhone 8. As a physically larger device, the iPhone XR has longer battery life than the iPhone SE. Apple says the new iPhone SE can last up to 13 hours for non-streaming video playback and up to 40 hours of audio playback, which is about the same as iPhone 8. Apple says the iPhone XR lasts up to 16 hours for non-streamed video playback. The new iPhone SE supports Wi-Fi 6, also known as AX, while the iPhone XR supports Wi-Fi 5, also known as AC. The new iPhone SE is 7.3mm thick and weighs 0.3 pounds, while the iPhone XR is slightly thicker and heavier at 8.3mm and 0.4 pounds. The new iPhone SE starts at 419 pounds, while the iPhone XR starts at 629 pounds. Both with 64 gig of storage. Both devices are also available at 128 GB, but only the iPhone SE has 256 GB option. If you put that into perspective, the iPhone SE with 256 GB is still cheaper than buying the iPhone XR with 128 GB. Both the new iPhone SE and XR come in black, white and product red. The iPhone XR is also available in blue, coral and yellow. Now that we talked about the differences, let's look at some of the similarities between the two phones. Both phones have glass back and are constructed of aluminum. They both have wireless charging. They both have fast charging with USB-C, up to 50% battery life in 30 minutes. Both are IP67 rated, water resistant to a depth of 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. They both record 4K video at 60 frames per second. They both have lightning connector, no headphone jack. They both have dual SIM, both have Bluetooth 5.0, both have voice over LTE, they both support Dolby Vision and HDR10, and they both come with AirPods with lightning connector in the box. So now you know the differences and the similarities between the two phones. So it all comes down to the price now. If the price is a factor in whether you should upgrade your phone or not, then the iPhone SE is definitely compelling, especially considering the fact that it has A13 Bionic chip, so it's going to last you a few years. And for the price of £419, it's a no-brainer. So if you're upgrading from an iPhone that already has a home button and you're not fussed and you don't like the Face ID and you're not fussed about the edge-to-edge display, then the iPhone SE is definitely a better option for you. In my opinion, I would personally go with the iPhone XR because I think Face ID is a lot better. I think the edge-to-edge display is a lot better. It's a different experience. Let me know in the comments below. Are you going to get the iPhone? If you have, what color have you got? Or what are you currently using? And if you want to upgrade, what are your options? Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.